Hey, it's Alex, the founder and CEO of Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. It's 2019 and it is SEMA, and we are in the Ford booth to take a close-up look at the 2019 Ford Ranger by Hellwig Suspension. We wanted more details on the build, so we had a quick chat with our buddy Mike at Hellwig. And we're here with Mike Hallmark from Hellwig Suspension to talk a little bit about their Ranger this year. So beautiful build, Mike. It looks fantastic. Tell us a little bit about the theme of the build.
Thank you very much. Yes, this is a 2019 Ford Ranger. We call this attainable adventure. We've done builds in the past that are over the top and people gotta love it, but how could I afford it? So the goal with this Ranger was something that anybody could afford, anybody from early 20s all the way up to retirement age. It's a very budget conscious build, allows you to go see the great outdoors without breaking the bank.
Makes a ton of sense. A lot of those parts you can get them at Motoroso.com too. Make sure to check those out. What mods stand out to you on the truck?
On it, we have an Icon 3.5-inch lift, stage 5. That's going to help carry the extra weight that we'll get into now. In the back of this, we have a bed slide that then has an ARB Elements freezer fridge on it. We have a Trail Kitchens kitchen mod on there, so it has everything you need: cups, plates, silverware, the kitchen sink. It has the burner. We've got 2 specialized Levo electric bites on the back with a rigged ultra swing mount that keeps that, so that can actually swing out of the way. The whole bed slide comes out. We've got Rockford Fosgate speakers on there. And of course, what's carrying all that weight is supported by Hellwig suspension products. So I've got my helper springs out back that manage the added weight, keep it at a nice level ride height, as you can see behind me. Then I've got my rear sway bar. It's 3-way adjustable. It manages the altered weight from the bed, and then also, as you can see, we have a Yakima rack. I've got a Tepui tin on top of that. We've got Daystar water jugs. We've got a Crazy Beaver shovel. We've got an ARB jack up there. So I mean, you name it, we've got enough equipment on there to also be self-sustainable. So it's attainable and sustainable. We've got a Goal Zero power pack system on there. So Yeti 1400 that charges off the truck while going down the highway. When we get to where we're actually camping at, we have 2 solar panels that are on the ground that recharges that then in turn charges the electric mountain bikes. So if you're going out for weeks at a time, you're good. You have everything you need.
Amazing. Things really ready to go. It looks awesome. Where can people learn more about Hellwig?
Go to our website, hellwigproducts.com. And then, of course, if you see something you like specifically on Motoroso's site, go check it out. Plenty of links. It'll tell you everything you need to know.
Awesome. Thanks, Mike. Really appreciate it. That's all the details we've got for this video, but if you want all the details of the project build, head on over to Motoroso.com/Ford SEMA 2019, where you can browse all the interactive content from this build and everything in the Ford booth. Now, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for all of our future SEMA coverage and build projects. And make sure to shop at Motoroso.com, where you can browse over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free with no minimum. Thanks for watching.